You know, it's funny. You scroll through all of the news articles surrounding AMC stock, and you see some pretty good things about how AMC Entertainment rode the meme stock rally, basically riding the apes to be able to revitalize and save their business. Now, that's nice when you think about it, but that's basically being used. Now, you read some other articles that say, the meme stock craze is over. Nonsense. You read some other Basically, the point of the story is you read all of these articles, none of which commemorate the 1-year anniversary of AMC, of GameStop, of Robinhood taking the buy button away, and really the, birth of an entirely new group of investors that did not exist just a year and a half ago, a year and a couple months ago. Meme stocks were not a thing. We are absolutely revolutionizing the way people invest and the way people look at companies. This is a big deal, and it's not being talked about. Why? Because it doesn't fit the narrative of Wall Street, it doesn't fit the narrative of mainstream media, and clearly it doesn't fit the narrative because they're the ones that aren't benefiting from it. We are. So in this video, guys, let's talk about how far we've come in AMC. Yes, that AMC is bettering as a business. And yes, that the AMC stock short squeeze is absolutely not just a possibility, but a probability. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. $100 deposit is going to get you at least 3 free stocks right now, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys are crypto exclusive, if you want a crypto exclusive exchange, you get Crypto.com, Gemini, and Binance in the description as well. AMC, guys, it's truly been an incredible journey so far, and I know we've learned a lot. Now, there's camps on both sides of the state here. You're going to be up against manipulation, up against corruption, regardless of where you fall. AMC has taught so many people so many things, and in this entire battle that we've been through so far, absolutely did save AMC Entertainment as a company. Let's reflect on that for a minute here, because I know it's an anniversary. I know we're reflecting on what Robinhood did, how they potentially ruined the squeeze that GameStop and AMC were going to have back 1 year ago today. So don't forget that as well. But let's reminisce a little bit on where AMC could have been if the apes didn't step in. AMC Entertainment trading at $1.90. Debt was ridiculously high, and debt was ridiculously expensive. Nobody wanted to lend AMC money. That was clear. Not all of them, but the vast majority of theaters closed. Nobody could go see a movie. Revenue, basically nothing. Theaters aren't open. They're not generating any revenue. The debt piling up. Cash constantly being burnt. Employees furloughed just indefinitely, with no hope of coming back. No end in sight. Apes stepped up and bought those shares for $1.90. I bought them for $2.90, $3.90, $5.90, $20.90. Back down, $12.90, $10.90, $8.90, $5.90. Back up, $12.90, $14, and so on. You guys understand the price action. But what did this do? This allowed Adam Aron and AMC Entertainment to issue every single one of the authorized shares available that they had. They issued. They cashed out billions of dollars in AMC Entertainment stock over a couple-year period. And if it weren't for the apes coming in and buying AMC, those 500 million shares that were issued would have maybe generated a couple $1 million, maybe $100 million. But where would that have gotten AMC? Nowhere. Because of it, AMC is now sitting on $1.8 billion in assets, roughly $1.6 billion in cash. They're able to go out there, and I know the story on Wall Street and mainstream media right now is that AMC is able to refinance their debt. Why? because they're still here, because they're sitting on cash that we allowed them to generate. Don't get twisted that this is anything other than you guys stepping up and buying AMC that provided this opportunity for AMC to still be here today. Because it's true. AMC is sitting on $1.6 billion in cash. Adam Aron is sitting on over $40 million generated from the sale of his stock, and so on. So knowing that AMC is in such a solid position fundamentally that they're actually renegotiating their debt and they're able to restructure their debt, that shows you that the business is doing very well. When lenders and creditors are willing to restructure and accept new forms of debt, this is a very good sign. Now, the price is still very high in relation to, one, what I believe the fundamental value should be, but two, in relation to where it was. Now, there are some articles out there stating that AMC, based on its projected cash flow and projected increase in revenue, could be worth more than the current prices are, I guess, justifying. Yes, they would have to, in my opinion, they would have to increase quite a bit to see AMC justify a value where it's at right now with the debt that's on the balance sheet. But hey, if they restructure it, if revenue continues increasing, I'll get on board with that. But what it goes to show you is that AMC is a thriving business at this point. People are going back to the movies. AMC is looked at as something that can renegotiate their debt. They're doing very well. Now it's our turn to do very well. The shorts, they've shorted AMC now more than they ever have before. There's over 106 million short shares estimated to be outstanding, and they will have to cover. I don't know if they're going to cover tomorrow. I don't know if they're going to cover next week. I don't know if they're going to cover next month. Nobody can determine when they will cover, but they are obligated to cover those shares. And when they do, guys, don't let the downtrend in price, the couple month downtrend in price that we've been seeing, trick you into thinking that you have to sell as soon as we hit 20, as soon as we hit 30, as soon as you hit break even. Don't let it trick you into thinking that you're not able to see those higher prices, because when the shorts cover, it doesn't matter what the price is. They have to offer you a higher price until it's finally accepted, or the majority of holders go out there and accept it. I'm just as excited now, if not more excited now, about the short squeeze than I have ever been. I just hope that you guys are as well, because I can tell you this. If you give up, the short squeeze is over. If the majority of people out there give up, the short squeeze is over. I have not given up. I want to know if you have not given up. Hit me with some AMC not leaving hashtags down in the comments below. Let us know that you guys are not giving up as well. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.